Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the shed. I'm Lonnie.
Hey, I'm Candace. Welcome back. I'm back in the shed. I'm feeling better today. Still a little congested, but I kicked it pretty fast, I think. So glad to be back.
I'm glad she's back too, big time. Biggest reason is we did have to bring Pippin's surgery yesterday. Pippin is died. Just a quick recap. A lot of y'all know this. Pippin is our dog. He's like I'll put a picture of him right here.
He's a mutt.
Yeah, he's a mutt, but he's got some like Chihuahua or rat terrier or something else. We don't really know or care. But he was diagnosed with diabetes a while back, and they told us when he got diagnosed to be on the lookout because he'll probably be losing his eyesight. Basically, they get cataracts. And we're having those cataracts removed today. So I'm kind of a nervous wreck. We brought Pippin. We dropped him off early this morning, and surgery should start next few hours or so. We're not sure.
They're going to call us when they start. I'm not nervous yet. I think I'll be nervous when I get that phone call that they're about to start. I think that's when it's going to hit me. So, yeah.
That's my little buddy.
I know.
I don't want nothing to happen to him.
I don't want him to be blind either, so
no.
I'm glad they have a solution for it.
Yeah. So our day is going to be kind of consumed worrying about him.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, we do have some orders to pull for eBay. Made one really nice sale that we'll get to in a minute. But you ready to go ahead and get started?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's go.
4 Bravo Right. It's a loose action figure Juggernaut.
4 Bravo. It's gonna be up here. It's odds. Oh, is he wearing brown?
Yeah. Yeah, he's got like a crop top on and some gloves.
Crop top? Is that what that's called? That's just...
I don't know.
Is that him?
Yeah, that's him.
Okay.
That sold for $9.99. We just had a cha-ching. Don't you
did we?
look?
Oh, I do want to look. Hang on. I'll let y'all look with me. Let's see. Huh. Sold a sugar spoon and butter knife, but we'll go ahead and pull that too and clear the decks.
Yep. Okay, pocket 132. It's a little bitty Westie dog.
Wow, that's a really small one, huh?
Bitty.
Oh, wow. Okay, when that's sold, I didn't know it was that small. Look at that.
Yeah.
Man, there ain't much to that.
$7.19.
It says made and hand painted in Scotland, 1989. Okay. All right, little guy.
Okay, next item is Canon Pixma ink in the D&D drawer.
Ah, right here.
$9.99 for that.
41 color,
yes.
Something like that? Okay.
41, 3 colors, yeah. 6 Charlie Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Battle Nexus. It's a game for PS2.
Okay. Man, a lot of those games I listed the other day, they sold. They're doing pretty good. I need to do that again.
That one sold for $12.59.
Okay, I had to go looking for this. This was supposed to be in
a drawer that it's almost the size of.
in Tiger drawer over here, but
that's a lot of 10 Scentsy wax melt bars, $35.99. 5 Foxtrot Toy Biz Marvel Legends Galactus in the package.
5 Foxtrot?
Angry Bullseye. I'm sorry, not.
Is it 5 Foxtrot?
Yes.
All right. Okay, yeah, Bullseye.
Let me see him.
That's probably angry.
Yeah,
I guess.
that's the angry variant.
Okay.
$19.99 for that. Our big old sale of the day: 10 Charlie Yadro, the big ballerina.
Okay. 10 Charlie.
It's in that box. So.
Huh?
It's in this box.
Oh.
It was too tall for the shelf, so I kind of propped her in this box.
Okay. I'll bring the box out.
Yeah.
Take it out over here. Yeah.
She's over 18 inches tall, so.
Well, when I was talking about the, let's see, yeah, it'll stand up fine. I was talking about the Yadra yesterday. I was counting the ones on the shelf over here. I forgot to count that one.
Yes.
Because did you see how empty this shelf is?
I know. Yeah, we shipped out a lot yesterday.
I was able to move a lot of stuff over.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Yeah, we've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we did have 10. Now, so we've sold half of them.
Yeah.
Half of the Yadra.
Yeah. Yep.
Half of the Yadra.
That one was for $320.
Yeah, that's a good sale there.
Yeah.
Because I mean, hell, we only spent $417 on all of it.
Right.
So we're deep into the profit now for sure.
Pocket 147. We sold a landing gear for Decepticon Transformer. Oh wait.
What?
That's not the name of the figure. I didn't even put the name of the figure in. Oh, I know what it is. It goes to multiple of that series. Okay, that's why I did that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the landing gear for like the jets. $19.99 for that. And then in the flatware drawer, it's a sugar spoon and butter knife B1.
Blossom sugar and butter.
Yes.
Okay.
$19.99 for that.
That's the thing we just got the cha-ching for a minute ago?
Yes, that's
Okay.
it. Yep.
All right. Well, not a ton of stuff, but a pretty good sales total anyway.
Yeah.
Go ahead and get this stuff packed up. All right, just got through packing everything up. There are the smaller ones. This is the big one. This ends up being like 24 something UPS ground. I just took two 16-12-10s, opened up an end on each one, slid them together, and used a bunch of that paper right there, that 50-pound paper. And this thing, it doesn't move at all. It's floating right in the middle of it. So pretty happy with that pack. That pack will be on the next installment on I'm Gonna Pack It YouTube channel, by the way.
Okay, so last week I picked up a big box at an estate sale, like out in the garage area, of like plastic toys. Most of them are marks, and they're from these Battleground play sets. I started kind of sorting through it all, and like these figures are marks, and these are going to be good money. I did find one gem in there.
When you say good money, what do you mean by that?
Like a set of 6 could sell for like $35. Like,
oh, that much?
Good money for little army men, yeah.
Okay.
I don't know exactly. I'll definitely keep y'all updated when I start listing those. This is from the Army Battleground play set. It's a little radio table. And,
oh, cool.
Yeah, it sells for $25. So,
just that thing by itself?
Just this by itself. I think a lot of the other parts in that set are not going to be able to be listed individually. So I'll probably make a lot of those, but definitely listing this by itself. Okay,
I'm about to list this cool invalid coach, which most people are saying that's for like hearses, for mortuaries to move people around in vehicles. They would put that on the car. That's what I'm reading anyways. I also read the definition for invalid coach that said it's for transport of persons that are like sick, but don't necessarily need a stretcher, like an ambulance. So that's when they're considered invalid. And I guess that also includes people that just aren't even alive anymore. I don't know the whole story with that, but let me show y'all. First of all, I'm going to show y'all some of the research I went through. Candace and I, a lot of times, we'll research and talk about it together on these, on the more valuable stuff. We'll get together, come up with a price together, because sometimes one of us is way high or way low. So it kind of helps temper that. So these are the solds arranged by price. This is a very stylized one. It's got, it's got some curves going on and whatnot. It sold for $200 back in 2023. This one sold last month for $127.50 at auction. And y'all can see 102.50, 102.50. But then whenever I go to active for an invalid coach sign, no results. No results at all. But then if I go to active on, not in Terapeak, on eBay itself, I hate this view. It keeps switching me out of it. I get these. So here's one somebody's trying to sell for $650, and look, it does say invalid coach sign. All three of those words are in the title. And all these titles for these three, look here, they're asking $650. They're asking $650 for this one. And they're asking $1,000 for this one. But if y'all notice, they all seem to have very similar titles. And Terapeak isn't showing any of it. So also, those are the sponsored ones. So if I scroll down a little bit, I should see the not sponsored version, I think. Maybe not. You used to see 2 versions. No, I guess that's it. So the ones that are active will have no shot at selling, in my opinion. We need to stay in the realm of things that could actually happen. This is just, if it sells, I'll ship it. If it doesn't, I'll keep it kind of price. So we are thinking, you still think 150 is the way to go?
Yeah, I think so, just because the actives right now are outrageous. And if somebody wants one, we're going to be the lowest by far.
I was just wondering if we should go a little higher or not.
I don't think so, based on the sales history.
Okay.
All
right, we'll go 150, and if we get it, we'll be pleased as punch.
This may be the instance where people, they have something that they're attached to, but they're like, I'll sell at the right price, but if not, I'll just keep it.
The old I don't want to sell it price.
Yeah.
We want a price that is, I want to sell it, but not too bad price.
Right.
All right, I'm gonna go 150. Well, it's 12:40, and Candace got the phone call earlier that they were starting the surgery at about what time was that?
That was like a little after 10, I think.
And then you got another call, about 20-30 minutes ago?
Yeah, that they were done and he'll be ready for pickup at 3. They said he did great, so excited to go get him and get him home. Poor little guy, he's gonna have to wear that horrible cone for like 2 weeks. I hate that for him, but
I didn't know that was the time frame.
I think that's what it is, from what
2 weeks,
what their paperwork said, because that's how long it takes, like the sutures to dissolve or whatever.
Oh my gosh, 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Oh.
And we have some meddlesome cats. One of them in particular, I know he's going to give him hell, so we're going to have to be very careful about him around the cats.
And then his peripheral vision's going to be all...
Yeah. I bought him it's a cone, and it's made specifically for long-snouted dogs, which is what he is, to make sure it goes out long enough. And it's softer. It's not the hard plastic, but it's got structure to it, but it's softer, more comfortable to sleep in and
Poor
stuff.
dog.
So, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so back to the Marks figures. I sorted out all my gray ones, and I saw that some were marked marks on the bottom, and some were not. So I did a photo of the ones unmarked and the ones marked. I'm in this Facebook group for toy soldiers, and it's not for buying and selling. It's strictly just for talking and identification and stuff. So I popped that picture up, and right away they said, yes, those are all Marks German soldiers. Not all of Marks's figures were marked. So that's something to know, that just because it's not marked doesn't mean it's not Marks. So anyway, I went to go comp to see what I'm going to list this group of guys for. And y'all, look what I found. This is crazy. This is a huge bolo. This German soldier with his bayonet stabbing downward sells for $200.
Now that is bigger though. You realize that, right?
Is it?
It's yeah, because that says 6 inch.
Okay. See, I didn't even catch that.
That's a lot bigger. That's going to be like.
Yeah. Okay. But still,
it's huge.
Yeah, that's a big bolo.
It'll kind of stand out, is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Like if you see a big gray army man.
It might be this scale, huh?
Yeah, like that. Well, who makes this?
I don't know.
That one is not.
And it could be Mark's. I don't know. I'll have to pop it up in that group and
Yeah.
see. I'm sure not too many companies were making them this big, you know.
No. As a matter of fact, I was telling Candace, like, even this size, because I used to get the little, when I was a kid, like in like 1980, maybe early 80s, and I was like 9, 10 years old, I would get the bags of green toy soldiers.
Mm-hmm.
Or green soldiers, you know, just for fun. They were like, it's like a real cheap toy.
And they feel different. These have a heavier,
Yeah, they do.
more substantial feel to them.
And they're a little, what I was going to say though is that these are a little bigger than those.
And they're more detailed.
Yeah.
Check out this guy. He's like laying dead. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, look, he's holding his hand over a wound, I guess, with his helmet behind him. Yeah. So
I'm thinking $25 for this lot.
Oh,
Yeah.
for the soldiers, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
that'd be good.
Yeah.
Heck.
And then I have green ones too. I'm assuming that's probably U.S. Army. I'll find that out. And I have about the same amount of those. I have this little guy. I have no. Oh, it has something on the bottom.
This says Blue Box Hong Kong.
And then I found these little guys are by MPC, which is another company that
They
was
make
kind
models.
of. Yeah, they also got into this. So they're kind of like Marks. I think they're a little. The scale is smaller. You can see.
Yeah, that's
that.
what I was
Yeah.
talking about.
Yeah, but they're not as flimsy as the cheap ones, you know.
Right.
So.
Okay, we are back. It's I don't even know what time it is. It's like 4 or something.
4:42.
4:42, and yeah, we are back. It's about an hour each way to this place. So we've been on the road 4 hours today.
Yeah.
Because there and back, and then we're actually going there and back again in the morning for a little follow-up visit. That should be quick.
Yeah.
But yeah, Pippin came out of surgery fine. They said he did good. He has to wear this cone. I'll show a picture. This is when we were picking him up.
Yeah.
I snapped a photo real
He
quick.
wasn't groggy at all. Like he come trotting out. So.
Yeah. So now we got to baby him for 1 to 2 weeks.
Yeah.
He's got to wear that cone for at least a week, and the only way he could take it off then is if he's not messing with his eyes and stuff.
Right.
And then Candace has like a whole sack full of, well, you got like 5 different eye drops.
Yeah, eye drops and then 3 oral medications. Yeah, it's a lot.
I mean, it's like a full-time job taking care of this dog for the
Yeah.
next, not really a full-time job, but it's going to require a bunch of effort. So
Yeah.
you got to get fully well,
I know.
because I can't do this.
I know.
I cannot do this.
Yeah.
Oh boy. But that is going to be it for this one. Thanks a bunch for watching, and we will see y'all again very soon. Bye, y'all.
Bye.